Hello boys and girls, welcome to your math lesson. And today we're going to continue learning about numbers and counting. And like I told you before, numbers are very important because they're everywhere. So it's very important that we learn how to identify them, how to see like a number and be able to know, oh, that's number 3 or oh, that's number 4. Counting is also important because we need to learn how to count so we can be able to count everything, money, toys, whatever we need to count. So that's why it's so important. Okay, so we're gonna start with our lesson. Okay, so for today's lesson, I am using little cups like this. They sell them at the store. And since it's hard, I usually put like numbers here in the front, but since it's kind of hard to keep the cup down, it will move. I instead put the numbers in here. And mom and dad, you can also do this at home if you want to. You can just put the numbers inside and then you can give them little beans or macaronis that they can use. Okay? So boys and girls, what we're going to do, we're going to look at the number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? And I put little dots to help you. You can count the dots. So that will help you recognize the number. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to put ladybugs in there, okay? So the dot is going to help you. If you don't recognize the number yet, the dot will help you. So how many do I put in there? 1. So we're going to put, 1 right there. And how many are we going to put there? Count the dots. If you don't recognize the number, 1, 2. We're going to put 2. So we're going to put 1 and 2. What about this one? 3, right? There's 3 dots, 1, 2, 3, and that's number 3. So we're going to grab 3 ladybugs. 1, 2, 3. 3 ladybugs. What about there? That's number 4. If you're not sure of the number, you count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to put 4 ladybugs in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about this one? 5. Good job. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. That's 5. Okay, so now we're going to do this activity really quick to help you with your homework. So this is what your homework would look again, like yesterday and the day before. You have this to help you recognize the number. You use the finger to recognize the number. And then in your homework, you're going to have little objects here on the side and you're going to move them over, okay? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put like this little pencils. These are erasers, mini erasers, but I'm going to use the pencils for today, okay? So what is that? 1. So I'm going to put here 1. What is that? 2. So I'm going to put 2. What number is that? 3. So I'm going to put 1. 2. And 3. What number is that? 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. What number is 5? 5. What number is that? And I gave you the answer, I think. So it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes. So look at the pencils. So here we see that it's only 1. It's not a lot, right? And then as each number goes up, you get more and more, right? So if somebody told you, I can give you 1 pencil or 5 pencils, how many would you choose? I will probably choose 5 pencils because 5 pencils has more than 1 pencil, right? 1 pencil is just 1, but 5 is much more. Okay? So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's math lesson. I hope that you like it. And so go back to Google Classroom and look at the homework and send it in. All right, I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.